Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Opportunities don't just appear out of nowhere. They aren't reserved for the lucky few, handed out by chance, or waiting around for the perfect moment. The truth is, opportunities are created by people who are willing to take action when others hesitate. Every successful entrepreneur, business owner, and leader started with the same 24 hours in a day. The difference is that they chose to create opportunities instead of waiting for them. They made the calls, they learned new skills, they stepped outside their comfort zone, they stayed consistent when results weren't immediate. Too many people spend years waiting for the right opportunity to find them. Meanwhile, successful people are busy creating their own. They understand that growth comes from action, confidence comes from experience, and success comes from persistence. The future you want won't be built by hoping things get better. It will be built by making decisions that move you closer to your goals every single day. The opportunity to change your life may not be knocking on your door right now, but you have the power to build that door yourself. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money every month, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.